Oh, good to see you there. Today's video, we're going to be talking about antiretroviral drugs. There are 6 different types of antiretroviral drugs. The 6 are reverse transcript inhibitors, entry inhibitors, fusion inhibitors, integrase inhibitors, protease inhibitors, multi-class combination products. Today we're going to be focusing on the main ones, which are NNRTIs. NNRTIs are short for non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. And today I'm going to be talking about the functional groups of them and the chiral centers. NNRTIs have an asymmetric 1000 amino acid heterodimer structure composed of P66 and P51 subunits. The role of P66 subunit is to carry out the activity of the reverse transcriptase while it contains the active sites of the enzyme. The P51 is believed to play a mainly structural role. NNRTIs have gained a definite place in the treatment of HIV-1 infections. HIV is treated by a process known as triple combination therapy. This is where we use 3 drugs in tandem. The 3 drugs in tandem are used because HIV would become resistant to one very rapidly if only one was used. Abacavir, marked on the name Zygon, is used to treat HIV, administered through pills or orally. Functional groups include amino acids, hydroxyl, and purines, and has no chiral center. Dolutegravir, marketed under the name Trivacay, is administered orally through pills. Functional groups include hydroxyl, benzene, amino, methyl, and fluorine. And finally, lamivudine, marketed under the name Epivir, can be taken orally as tablets. Functional groups include amino acids and hydroxymethyl. We're going to go into more detail on the mechanism of NNRTIs and how they work. After the virus attacks the cell, they inject the HIV genetic material and the required enzymes. The reverse transcriptase enzyme activates and converts the viral RNA into single-stranded DNA. The NNRTI blocks the function of the viral reverse transcriptase enzyme, hence preventing the enzyme from being able to convert viral RNA into DNA, thus bringing the HIV cycle to a standstill. HIV remains one of the world's most significant public health challenges. 1.3 million people died in 2013 alone, and many of these were in the developing world. 70% of people living with HIV live in sub-Saharan Africa. This is nearly 1 in 20 adults. NNRTIs cost, on average, $80 a day. This is really expensive and makes it hard for developing countries to gain access to this. So that concludes today's video on antiretroviral drugs. I hope you learned something. Leave a like down below, comment, like, subscribe. Cool.